And so, this is the push start module. You bought our push start module from Cardot. Okay. Today I will show you remote start. Remote start method. Okay. I use two wires, directional wire. This is a lock wire. They are positive. They are positive signal. If you install this push start module to your car, this directly connecting to the direction light of your car. This lock cable is connected to the actuator. This is actuator. Actuator lock wire. Okay. This is also positive electricity. Today I just show you remote start method. I use these two wires to this positive electricity 3 times. If it is successful make operation on this, and this is start cable. I use LED bubble as a replacement. ACC on 1, on 2, on 2, on 1, ACC start. Now I use terminate wire, lock wire together touch the positive. So this is oil press wire. You must play this way. OS no remote start, not push start. Okay. I touch 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Why it is failed? Because our system has not checked lock and directional wire. If the remote start is successful, this LED bubble LED will be red color. Okay. Then try again. 1, 2, 3, start. If start, this will be, yes, this is red color. This is ACC on 1, on 2, this is start. If you want to remote start, touch 1 time, it will be off, and this will be off, and light will be on, light will be off. Okay, touch. Okay. Now touch. Try it again. 1, 2, 3. Start. And will be, if a success start, will be red color. Yes, red color. Okay. Stop. Yes. Touch 1 time. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.